नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। IND टुडे न्यूज में आपका खैर मकदम करते हैं। आइए देखते हैं ये तफसीलात।
हिंदुस्तान की मशहूर ब्लू स्टार लिमिटेड ने अपनी अशिया अब सऊदी अरब में मुतारिफ करा दी है। सऊदी अरब में मुनक़िदा एक तकरीब में कंपनी के अहदेदार ने बताया कि ब्लू स्टार मैन्युफैक्चरर्स के एयर कंडीशनर्स के अलावा वाटर डिस्पेंसर और वाटर कूलर्स सऊदी अरब के शोरूम्स और मॉल्स में दस्तयाब रहेंगे। उन्होंने कहा कि उसकी प्रोडक्ट्स सरदस्त 20 ममालिक में अपनी मार्केट बना ली है।
Is Blue Star's vision, and it has been successful in coming closer to this vision. Blue Star is extremely the respected members of both the companies present at this gathering. We have with us Mr. Rajesh Kochar, the General Manager of Star International, and Mr. Dawood bin Azer, the Chief Executive of Blue Star International. أتوجه بالدعوة الآن إلى السيد داوود بن عزير الرئيس التنفيذي لإعطاء نبذة وخلفية عن شركة.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's my great pleasure to announce today the strong relationship that we are building with the Saudi Retail Company and Sand International. Blue Star International is one of the largest groups of air conditioning manufacturers in India. $7 million US. India's leading air conditioning refrigeration company, among the oldest and the leading. It has also an integrated MEP service, electrical plumbing contracting company, and also the largest India's after sales. As you know, this business in which we So we also have a very modern research and development facility within 13 test laboratories, which is certified by ISO 9001, subsidiary of Blue Star Limited. The headquarters of this organization is in Dubai, managing Blue Star's overseas products, MEP and service business. We cater to 20 countries in our operation. We have a wide range of country-wide specific air conditioning and refrigeration products, because you know each area, each country has its own requirements in terms of specifications. So every professional organization will have a vision, a credo and a value proposition. Sunil Advani, Mr. Veer Advani and Mr. Tyagarajan, and the head of the Blue Star International is myself, who was right in front of you. So we are present in 20 countries already, wherein we have distribution network, sales offices, joint ventures in 3 countries, as I mentioned, and 2 re-export offices. We are very proud of our research and development, because every product, unless the research and development manufactured across the 25 product lines, specialized manufacturing variety, highly engineered and custom built products, manufacturing excellence. Service is a separate division, and we give a lot of importance to services, because this is very important for our business. I would like to give you an idea of our product line a little bit. I hope you can see most of them. So right from high wall split AC, window air conditioners, inverters, to assemble and manufacture products here as well.
الآن المواصفات السعودية صارت جدا دقيقة بالنسبة لكفاءات الطاقة، وأنتم أشرتوا إلى أنه من أفضل الكفاءات حاليا. ماذا عن التوفير؟ نسبة التوفير؟
See, we are continuously following Saudi specifications, and I know every year there is an improvement on the requirement. So we are 100% geared up to meet to those requirements and expect. Saving solutions is a product which can save energy through the specifications that we cater to.
بلو ستار المتوقعة خلال الأعوام المقبلة ما بين الشركات أو المنتج المنافس له.
Mention of consumer subsidiary. So gradually over a period of maybe 2-3 years, strict quality standards Blue Star follows. So the research team and the R&D team has been here leading, which incidentally is totally in-house. Blue Star has, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, entire R&D team is.
Yeah, there's a pump here. This is a pump. So the pump will push the machine. This machine you can install above the tank 5 meter, below the tank 3 meter. Either on the top 5 meter or below 3 meter you can install. And you can also set the temperature. This is thermostat setting. 25 degrees, 24 degrees. You want 24, 25, you can set the temperature here. So that first hour it takes 16 hours to cook. It's a problem. And then recycle. How much is only 100 Saudi riyal. Depends. 1.5 ton will be around. This is for 1.5 ton we are targeting around 4-5 minutes.
अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आपको यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, उसे क्लिक करिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ ही साथ बेल आइकॉन को भी क्लिक करिएगा जिससे कि आपको ताज़ा अपडेट मिलते रहें।